Alright guys, I've been out of the game, but this is what I've been doing. I've been buying the 80-pound bags of fiber reinforced concrete mix. So I didn't like the plain look, so I decided to go with the edge look and broom look. So I'm gonna do that. I like that. And then I'm just gonna basically raise this up, fix the door, make it look good. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just gonna get this thing going. Not perfect, but it's my second one with the same pattern as this one. This one took 13 bags, 8 bags, about 16 bags. It's a little bigger. That patch is a little bigger than this one. So as we move forward, it'll be less bags and bags. So hopefully I'm trying to make them the same width, you know, somewhat consistent. I'll make this one, I'll make the next one same size as this one, so that it looks kind of like the same. And then I'm going to follow the same size, you know, whatever measures. If it's 4 feet, then 4 feet, stop it, then do another 4 feet, stop it, but make it look flowing, you know what I mean? So that's the goal. It's already prepped. I'll show you guys in the morning or the next day when this is all dry and see how it looks. Okay, so in the meantime, we'll see you in the next day. So the next day, we'll see how it looks. Okay, just gotta remove the wood now. And here we go. that's gonna be the last batch. Right here. Boom. Boom. So all that's gonna get cement. It's gonna be the last one. It'll take me about 16 bags, and that should be good to go. It's gonna be, again, it's gonna be 4 inches deep, just like that one. That's 4 inches, and it's gonna have an expansion joint. There it is. It's my expansion joint. It's made out of a weird fiberglass cardboard type. Yep, that's gonna go right here. Matter of fact, pick it up and just might as well put it here. Could add a little bit here. Have a piece of, got a piece left. Just got to cut it to the right size and shape, and that'll go there. But that's it. That's gonna be the last expansion joint. I bought 7 of them. I used them all up, and then do the last one here. Do the last stuff here. Boom, boom. This is gonna be basically a rectangle, not an actual square. And that's it. Then when it's done, I gotta fix the door. Then I gotta fix that door. And clean this up, pressure washer, put grass all over here, trim it, and then just take a video. And then that should be the end of my videos for the cement work. And then I can work on my vehicles now. Alright guys, that's it. This is the last one. The last one out of all the batches. We're gonna make this happen. Then I can work on the truck, damn it, and I'll be back though. So I'm gonna do this, show you, get it done, and then we'll see the end results towards the end, okay? Okay guys, it's the next day. This is what it looks like. It's good, it's got the edging. It's got the expansion already in there, expansion board. And I'm just gonna remove these here woods, clean this area up, and then give it a once over, give you an overall look. All right, here we go. All right guys, let me give you a better look now. Here we go. So now, this is it. I'll give you a quick walk on it. That part right there. I'll still get to fix that door, don't worry. This is see the whole transition right here. There you go. All right, the other end looks good. See, finally. That's what I wanted, a little path. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Now I can get back to work on my truck now.